Hello, my lovely students. Once again, in speaking session, it's eighth day of English speaking challenge, in which we are talking about how we can speak well, how we can improve our speaking skill, particularly in English. We are focusing on for improving, for betterment, for increasing our vocabulary in English. So, what kind of methods, techniques, and formulas we can adopt if we wanted to speak well, if we wanted to improve our speaking skill, particularly in English. So, last couple of videos we are talking different aspects, different techniques, different formulas, as well as different methods you can apply in your practically life. If you wanted to improve, if you wanted to grip on your speaking skill, then how it's easy for you and why it's tough language and you are not considering that it's a easy language. So what kind of techniques we can adopt for improving as well as building confidence in English speaking. So there are a lot of techniques already we discussed with you. Today we again highlights few points that can help you when you are trying to speak with somebody, when you are trying to speak with any person that think that it's a very tough language and you can't speak any stage of life. So what we have to do today, we'll talk what kind of sentences we can use for our betterment, for improving communication skill as well as learning speaking other skills that is necessary for English. But we are focusing all the time of speaking. Speaking is very obligatory for us, and if you are a good speaker, then you can debate any part of your life. Like if you are a teacher, if you are a student, if you are a businessman, if you are a presenter, then one thing it's very necessary for you. You should be good in communication skills, particularly in English. If you can speak well, if you can convince anybody through speaking, then it's your progress, it's your success, and it's your unique thing you are developing for others. So today, what kind of English you have to speak in your surrounding, and it's another technique you should adopt. Like if you are going anywhere, like if you are going for any adventures, and in adventure there are a lot of vocabulary, lot of sentences you can use. Like if you are watching different kind of places, before this you have no idea and it's a first side for you, it's the first thing you will see there. Like if you are going to any kind of mountain, island, sea, river, any other thing that is unseen for you, you wanted to see that specific place, you should know about a little bit vocabulary. Like if you are going to visit some kind of area, before this you have no idea, and it's a first scene for you, it's a first sight when you will see over there, then lot of things came in your mind. Like if you will go for any kind of adventure, it will be island, it will be some kind of trip, it will be some kind of tour. You are going along with your colleagues, along with your students. So there are a lot of things you can do in your mind. So what we have to do and what kind of techniques we have to adopt, like when we are going to travel somewhere, then we can use different sentences in English. if you are going to pack your luggage, if you are picking your luggage for traveling, might be you have to stay there a little bit longer. It can be 1 or 2 days or 3 days, might be 1 week or 1 month. Then first thing you have to kept in your mind, it's your luggage, it's your clothes, and what you have to wear on that specific place, and what kind of weather there will be. Like, it can be hot, it can be cool. Then you have to choose that kind of clothes for this purpose. Like, if you are going to any cool place, then you have to wear a jackets, and it should be along with you all the time. Might be it will be longer tour, it will be too long, you have to stay there, but you are the addicted of that area in which there is a lot of hotness. But when you are going there that time, it's a new place, it's a new area, it's a new thing for you, and you have no idea how I can survive there. So what we have to do, we should keep these kinds of things, and alongside you have a lot of luggage, you have a lot of instruments, you should keep kept in your mind. It will be along with you. So these kind of talking you can do when you are going to any kind of adventure, when you are going for any travel. So you can talk with your friends, like if you are in the bus, that time you can speak with your friends a little bit, not too much. You can ask where we are going, what kind of place that was, and whether it's a beautiful or ugly. So these kind of sentences you can use, and through this you can improve your vocabulary as well. So it's a new thing, it's a new vocabulary for you, and it's a new techniques you can adopt for you improving your speaking skills. Like, if you will not go to any unknown place, unknown place, before this you didn't go, then how you can improve your speaking skill, and how you can improve your vocabulary, how you can make a different sentences. If I am talking about sitting in the room, I will not go out from my house or room, then how can I take new thing, and how I can develop my new ideas, and how I can improve my vocabulary, how I can go to intermediate level to advanced level. It's a technique, it's a method you have to adopt. Like, if you are going to some kind of adventure, then you have to talk with your friends in English, and if you spend your time there, afterward when you came back to your house, that time you also reveal the ideas, reveal the sights you see there, and reveals the all the things that you capture there. It's a new thing, it's a very beautiful, it's a very amazing, it's a wonderful, mind-blowing. So these kinds of situation you can describe with your friends. So it's easy, it's not tough. All the time I'm talking, if you will choose on regularly basis new method, new topic, you should choose unfamiliar topic that is necessary for your learning, for improving your skill. So it is a method you can adopt for your improving your skill, particularly in English. I am talking about English. If you will go to any kind of adventure, then you can make lot of sentences, you can see lot of new things there. And if you have no idea about the concerned vocabulary, concern things, then you should recall in your mind, and automatically when there will be new vocabulary of mineral things, resources, island, and natural things that is exist in the world, if you will see in your life at a first time, then it's very easy for you to make different sentences on it. Might be You start from easy sentences, but with the passage of time, you can make longer sentences as well as complex compound sentences with the help of conjunction and other things. So this is the way through this we can enhance our vocabulary as well as our speaking skill in English. On daily basis we are taking different things, like today just we talk about adventure. When you will go for any kind of adventure, then you can make a difficult, typical and easy sentences for your improving uh, English skill. If you will make sentences, then it's also a vocabulary, it's also a new things you are adopting in your life. If you will become addicted of this and on regular basis you are making different sentences, you are utilizing in a practically life, then it's easy, we can speak on any stage of life. All the time I'm talking with you, I wanted to improve myself. If you wanted to improve yourself, then it's a way. You have to practice more, you have to take new ideas, and if you are going anywhere, then you should see different things, like you should see different trees, roads and buildings along with what kind of things they have, and you should recall the memory of their concerned things. Like if you have no idea on the road what kind of things are exist, what kind of traveling there was. So these kind of sentences you can make and you can enhance our vocabulary as well as your speaking skill. So it's easy, it's not tough, but first thing we should remember all the time, we have to practice on it. If I think that one day I will improve myself, I can improve within a short time, so it's very tough for me. But if I will become punctual, if I will become regular, then it's easy for me to speak any stage of life. So today just we talk about adventures. There should be adventures in your life, and adventures can give you new memory, new method, new vocabulary, new sights and new experiences can be in your life. Because if you are going anywhere, if you are sitting with unknown people, strange people, and before this you don't met them, that kind of people, it's your experience, it's your new experience you are gaining. And if you think that experience just came, you are sitting at your home, you will not go out from your house, you can get a lot of experience, then it's our wrong perception. For learning something, for gaining something, for making progress in this world, or wanted to become unique in this world, it's very hard to develop ourselves, it's very hard to indulge ourselves, but it's need a time. When you will become punctual, when there will be passion in your life, when there will be keen interest, you want to improve yourself, then it's easy, you can go anywhere and you can learn a lot of things. So it's all about for today, just we talk about adventures. There should be adventure in your life. Adventures play a key role for improving your speaking skill, particularly in English. Your English can be improved, but the condition behind that, we should be punctual and we should try to speak on different levels, on different situation, on different places where you will go and where you will spend your time, and you have to talk with them, and you have cram the memory, you should cram the vocabulary of the concerned place. Like if you will go to the village, then you should know each and everything about the village, the places of the village and different fields of the village, and the different kind of crops you will see there, and you should remind the names of the crops. Like these days if you will go there, there will be a lot of potatoes, there will be a lot of tomatoes, there will be a lot of other vegetables, fruits, there will be a lot of trees in that particular areas. So there will be a lot of fruits trees, there will be in that concern area we are taking those kinds of things, and we are importing or exporting so many vegetables as well as fruits. It's coming in our markets and we are taking easily and we are voting from that place and it's easy for us. So these kind of talking you can do, these kind of sentences you can use in your daily life, and through this we can enhance as well as we can improve our speaking skills. So in next video we will talk another interesting things that can help you for improving your speaking skill as well as improving your vocabulary in English. It's easy for you, and with the passage of time, you will be fluent in your speaking. You can speak any stage of life. You can improve your ideas. You can improve your experience, and you can get a lot of experience as well as you can share with others. When you will share, definitely you can also increase your vocabulary and your sentence structure, and you can improve a lot within a short time.